ये नेचुरोपैथी का प्रोग्राम मैंने पहली बार अटेंड किया एंड इट वाज रियली अ नाइस एक्सपीरियंस एंड द पीपल हु हैव डन दिस हैव बीन कोऑपरेटिंग एट एवरी लेवल. Yeah, I have promised myself that I will make 3 changes. First, I will take only fruit in my breakfast and skip the dinner. And secondly, I will do that 5 minutes sun gazing and bathing every day. The session was very good. The session taken by Aanchal and Ankur, they have explained everything about naturopathy. Therapies they have given were excellent, and the food was also good. Yeah, definitely I have already recommended to some of my friends.